Hi guys, it's Ambrose and today I'm going to play Ratchet Kills. It will be a good game. This one. This is me. Shoot that. Yes, that. Shoot those. Yeah. Next level. Wow. Yes, good. Yay. Haha. That one? Huh? Where's the arrow going? Still have these 3 people to kill. Killed 1. How come? Just keep shooting arrows. I think. Yay! Next level. Whoa. Wow. Bing, boom. Yes. That one. One more person there. Where should I go? It's gone crazy. Yes. One is dead. How about that one? Where's the arrow going? Almost there. Yay! Yeah! I still have 2 more levels to play. Here. Yeah. Which one? This one? No. Just keep shooting arrows. I believe I can fly. Kill? Why am I not shooting? I have to reset. Haha. Haha. So many arrows. No more. This is a silly game. How to? There's one more there and there. Point. Yes. One more. Yeah. Last level, and then this episode will be over. That one. Good. Wow. Yay. If you want to be friends with me, comment down below which person you really hate so much and you really want to shoot them like I just did in the game. See you guys next week. Bye.